the golden light of dawn, a shadow moves like the wind across the plains. It is neither lion nor leopard. It is a phantom, the fastest land animal on earth. This is the cheetah, misunderstood, fragile, and vanishing. Can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds, faster than most sports cars. Its spine acts like a spring, storing and releasing energy with every stride. Large nostrils and heart help pump oxygen rapidly during the chase. Rare fact: at full speed, a cheetah's paws touch the ground only once every stride cycle. Narrator: but speed comes at a cost. The cheetah overheats quickly and can only sprint for 20 to 30 seconds, a race where victory or death is only a breath apart. Non-retractable claws for grip like spikes. Long tail acts as a rudder during high-speed chases. Tear lines under eyes reduce glare, improve focus. Rare fact: cheetahs have fewer teeth than other big cats to make space for larger nasal passages. Every muscle, every bone, every feature is built for one thing: speed. But speed isn't enough. Stealth, patience, and timing are equally critical. Cheetahs rely on sight, not smell, to hunt. Will often climb small termite mounds to scan the horizon. They prefer hunting early morning or late evening. Rare fact: cheetahs avoid tall grass. They prefer open plains, where other predators hesitate. The stalk is long, the chase is short. And the outcome is never guaranteed. Female cheetahs raise cubs alone. Will move her cubs to new dens every few days to avoid predators. Cubs are born with a mohawk, a strip of silver-gray fur for camouflage. Rare fact: less than 1 in 10 cubs survive to adulthood in the wild. A mother's journey is one of constant fear. Lions, leopards, hyenas all see her cubs as prey. But she fights on, with stealth, speed, and heart. Males form coalitions, often brothers. Females are solitary except when raising young. Cheetahs rarely roar. They chirp, purr, and hiss. Rare fact: males mark territories and defend them, sometimes even against lions. Unlike lions, cheetahs don't rule with power. They survive by avoiding conflict. But that doesn't mean they're weak. Cheetahs lose 10–15% of their kills to scavengers. Will often eat quickly and leave before danger arrives. Avoid fights, even with weaker predators. Rare fact: cheetahs have extremely weak jaws, their skulls are built for speed, not strength. In a world of power, the cheetah is the artist. Fast, focused, but always on edge. Fewer than 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild. Africa, Iran, Asiatic cheetah, and some reintroductions in India. Habitat loss and illegal pet trade are major threats. Rare fact: cheetahs have the lowest genetic diversity of all big cats, making them vulnerable to disease. Once found across 3 continents. Now, cheetahs are vanishing like whispers in the wind. Once found across 3 continents. Now, cheetahs are vanishing like whispers in the wind. Hope runs fast, but so does time. If we don't act, this runner will vanish from the race. Cheetahs play like domestic cats. They stretch, chase, rub, and purr. They are extremely sensitive, easily stressed in captivity. They rely on silent communication and body language. Rare fact: cheetahs can form bonds with humans, but they can also die from stress alone. Behind the legend of speed is a sensitive soul. While African cheetahs dominate the headlines, A forgotten cousin is fading away, almost invisible. Meet the Asiatic cheetah, once seen across India, Iran, Pakistan, and the Middle East. Today, fewer than 12 remain in the wild, and all of them are in Iran. Slightly slimmer than the African cheetah. Lighter coat and more prominent tear lines. Survives in deserts, not grasslands. Rare fact: India's last wild cheetah died in 1947. The species was declared extinct in 1952. But hope is reborn. India launched Project Cheetah, reintroducing African cheetahs into national parks like Kuno. It's not just about bringing a species back, it's about restoring balance. Why should we save a species most people never see? Because cheetahs are keystone species. Their hunting controls antelope populations, protecting grasslands and smaller herbivores. Where cheetahs thrive, ecosystems balance. But more than that, the cheetah is a symbol of speed, silence, and the fragility of life. Real-world parallel. Like cheetahs, we chase time. We burn energy fast. We race, but forget to pause. Cheetahs remind us. Slow down, or lose what matters most. The cheetah has been running for millions of years. Long before us. Long before borders. And yet today, its future rests in our hands. Not because it failed, but because we forgot to value the things that move quietly, beautifully, swiftly through life. This is not just the story of a predator. It's the story of balance, of survival, and of one last chance to let the fastest animal on earth keep running. Let us not be the generation that outrun the cheetah. In a world filled with roars and noise, the cheetah runs not for pride but for survival. Not for power but for peace. It does not roar. It whispers. It does not rule. It runs. And in that run lies one of nature's most graceful stories. The cheetah is more than just fast. It is graceful, gentle, vulnerable. It is the reminder that survival is not always about strength. Sometimes, it's about elegance, precision, and peace. In a world rushing ahead, the cheetah tells us to pause and watch what we might lose forever. Let's make sure it's never the last.